Today, you guys, we are making a simple and easy braised beef short rib recipe. Y'all, this recipe is so easy. Anybody can do it. These are the ingredients that I'm using. Stay tuned so you can see how I throw this together. Super easy. Now, I've just went ahead and seasoned the short ribs with my seasoning blend that I just put together in a little container. I reuse a garlic powder container to redo my seasoning. You can season your meat with whatever you like. I'll leave that up to you guys. And now all you're gonna do is brown the brown the short ribs on all sides. Just put a little oil in your pot and just get it browned up on both sides. Y'all, after this, it's just uphill from there. It's so easy, you guys. I can't stress that enough.
Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the
Okay, so this is what your short ribs should be looking like. You don't want to overcook them. You just want to sear them on all sides to release the flavoring and the juices and all of that. So and you don't want to overcrowd your pot either, because you're going to get the steam in it instead of searing it. So this right here is the second batch that I'm doing, and making sure that all sides are brown. And after we've browned this, then we're going to move on to the broth, the juice, the gravy, whatever y'all want to call it, that the ribs will be cooking in. So now we're going to add in the onions and all of this good flavor and drippings that was left off in the pot, y'all. That's the good stuff right there. So we're going to saute the onions up in there, and then we're going to start adding the different ingredients. Now, I'll list the ingredients in the description. I will remember to do it this time. Sorry if I didn't do it in the last video like I said, but basically you're going to be adding in your tomato paste. You're going to add in beef bouillon cubes. You're going to add in beef broth. You're going to add in red wine. Now, you can use whatever kind of red wine you want. I just use what I had on hand, which may not be a cooking wine, but it still tastes good to me, which was some Stella Rosa. But you're going to add that in, some thyme and brown sugar. And I believe I didn't leave anything else out. If I did, like I said, it will be in the description box below of everything I added into the broth, okay? So just pay it. And I did not, as y'all know, I do not measure. So you just kind of eyeball it. Then after or before you put your meat in, then you would just taste it and see what you need more of, or you know, that's just how I do it, y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't go to culinary school. I didn't go to school for this. I just did it. You know, I just do it. That's all. Okay? So I'm sorry. But it's so easy. But just let me know if y'all got any questions. I'll be happy to answer it.
anymore. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love.
basically that's all that I added in. I did taste the broth to see how it tastes, and I did add in a little bit more brown sugar and a little bit more seasoning. So this is the point where you would do that. That's the consistency I want. And now y'all, all we're gonna do is put our beef ribs over into a crock pot, pour this broth in the crock pot, set it and forget it. That's why I told y'all it is so easy. So you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to babysit it. You just put it on there for either 6 hours or 8 hours. I believe I put 8 hours, but you just set it and forget it. Okay.
So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again.
And this, you guys, is how it came out. It's so tender. It was so flavorful because it cooked slow and low, and that's what you want. Now, I forgot and did not video when I plated it up, but I did pair this with some mashed potatoes, and I just put this on the top for the meat and the gravy. So that is it. So if you guys liked or enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, ask and I will answer. Go head over to my Instagram channel. I'm always putting up little short stories of everything that I'm cooking each day, and sometimes it does not make it to YouTube, so I'm more active over on IG. It's Wendalyn Lynette, same thing as my YouTube. So thank y'all for watching. See y'all later. Bye bye.